MicroStrategy versus Marathon Digital. Which Bitcoin play is better? MicroStrategy has transformed into a Bitcoin powerhouse, holding a substantial amount of BTC worth billions, driven by a bold investment strategy. In contrast, Marathon Digital, the largest Bitcoin miner, operates a vast fleet of machines and holds a significant BTC reserve. While MicroStrategy's aggressive debt strategy may yield significant returns, it carries high risk. Marathon faces rising operational costs and challenges from the mining sector. Overall, MicroStrategy is viewed as the more favorable investment option. Wolfspeed secures $1.5 billion in financing for expansion amid CHIPS Act support. Wolfspeed Inc. has won $750 million in U.S. government grants and $750 million in financing led by Apollo Global Management to bolster its factory expansion in North Carolina and New York. The funding aligns with the CHIPS and Science Act, aimed at reviving U.S. semiconductor manufacturing. The expansion is expected to create over 2,000 jobs and enhance production of silicon carbide chips crucial for electric vehicles. Despite recent struggles, the funding is a vital boost for the beleaguered chipmaker. Bank of America reports decline in Q3 profit due to lower interest income. Bank of America, BAC, announced a drop in third-quarter profit, with net income falling to around $6.9 billion, or 81 cents per share, down from $7.8 billion, or 90 cents per share, a year prior. The decline is attributed to reduced income from customer interest payments, impacting the second-largest bank in the U.S. as it navigates a challenging financial environment. Solana's DeFi TVL surges past $6 billion for the first time in 3 years. Solana's decentralized finance ecosystem has surpassed $6 billion in total value locked, a milestone not seen in nearly 3 years. Over $40 million SOL tokens are now engaged in DeFi protocols, highlighting increased activity in lending, decentralized exchanges, and liquid staking. Radium has regained prominence as the second-largest protocol on Solana, bolstered by a booming meme coin market. Additionally, the rise of liquid staking and restaking protocols is further enhancing the network's DeFi landscape. Grayscale considers 35 new crypto products, including Doge and WorldCoin. Grayscale has announced a list of 35 cryptocurrencies under consideration for future investment products, including Dogecoin and WorldCoin. Categorized into 5 groups, the list primarily features smart contract tokens like Aptos and Celestia. Other notable mentions include Arbitrum, Polygon, and Solana-based projects. This expansion follows Grayscale's recent launches of new funds as it continues to solidify its position as a major player in the crypto investment space. Brazil's Drex CBDC pilot moves to Phase 2 with focus on privacy and DeFi. The Central Bank of Brazil is launching Phase 2 of its Drex Central Bank Digital Currency (CBDC) pilot, accepting applications until November 29th. Currently, 13 use cases have been confirmed, emphasizing privacy and smart contracts. Key areas of exploration include tokenization, decentralized finance, DeFi, and interoperability with existing systems. The bank aims to incorporate legal compliance, particularly under Brazil's data protection laws, and hints at live tests following this pilot round. Old MEV bot scam rebranded as Slow Mist to exploit AI hype. Cybersecurity firm Slow Mist warns of a resurgence in an old trading bot scam rebranded as a ChatGPT arbitrage MEV bot. Scammers use the AI buzzword to lend credibility, promising users big profits from trading on Ethereum. Victims are lured into creating MetaMask wallets and deploying fraudulent code, only to have their funds vanish into the scammers' wallets. With reports of significant Ether thefts from numerous victims, Slow Mist emphasizes the need for vigilance against these deceptive tactics. Australia launches first ETF directly holding Ether. Monochrome Asset Management has launched Australia's first exchange-traded fund directly holding Ether, the Monochrome Ethereum ETF, on Cboe Australia. Launched on October 15th, it has assets reaching around $176,000 and features a management fee of about 0.50%, allowing transactions in cash or Ether. Following the earlier Bitcoin ETF launch, CEO Jeff Yu anticipates strong growth as more crypto moves from exchanges into structured funds. Australia's ETF market continues to evolve, reflecting global trends. Bitcoin RSI analysis predicts major price surge by 2025. Analyst Bitcoin Data 21 forecasts Bitcoin could reach around $233,000 by Q1 2025, driven by historical RSI trends. Currently trading around $65,000, Bitcoin's price is consolidating, with potential for a significant rally as market apathy persists. The analysis highlights that past bull markets saw rapid price increases, and with traditional finance poised to enter, a major upswing is anticipated. As monthly RSI remains below overbought levels, there's considerable growth potential for Bitcoin. Protocol Village, Georgia politicians unveil United Space, ZK identity app for secure voting. Georgia's politicians have launched the United Space app, leveraging Rarumo's tech for tamper-proof polling and enhanced voter engagement. The app aims to digitize national identities and encourage civic participation, especially among young voters and expatriates barred from upcoming elections. Other highlights include Turtle Club's liquidity innovations, Puffer Finance's governance token launch, and a $20 million fund to boost Web3 projects, signaling significant strides in blockchain advancements. CME's Bitcoin Friday Futures gain traction. CME Group's Bitcoin Friday Futures, BFF, launched on September 30th, are becoming popular with news-driven traders. These cash-settled contracts expire weekly, allowing quick reactions to U.S. economic data. With lower margin requirements and a first-day volume exceeding 31,000 contracts, BFFs reduce rollover costs and improve profitability compared to monthly contracts. Their alignment with U.S.-listed ETFs boosts market liquidity, making it easier for traders to execute large orders efficiently and enhancing price discovery. Kamala Harris targets black male voters with new loan initiative. Vice President Kamala Harris is intensifying her outreach to black men amid rising support for Donald Trump among black voters. She has proposed a new program aimed at boosting economic security for marginalized entrepreneurs, pledging to offer $1 million forgivable loans of up to $20,000. This initiative is part of Harris's broader strategy to provide greater access to financing for those facing barriers, reinforcing her commitment to economic empowerment within the Black community. Tetherize, lending to commodity traders. Tether Holdings Limited is considering lending to commodities trading firms as it seeks to deploy its substantial profits. This initiative could disrupt the traditional reliance on banks for financing shipments. The issuer of the USDT stablecoin is in discussions about US dollar lending opportunities with various credit-hungry companies. Tether's funding approach is appealing due to its potential to bypass the stringent regulatory conditions faced by conventional lenders, marking a significant shift in the commodities financing landscape. Oil prices plunge, dragging down European stocks. European stocks and U.S. futures dipped as crude oil prices fell sharply, impacting energy shares amid easing tensions regarding Israel's potential attacks on Iranian facilities. The stock's 600 index fell 0.2%, reversing earlier gains, with Total Energies down 4.2% and BP down 4.4%. Brent crude futures dropped below $75 a barrel after reports indicated Israel would not target Iranian oil or nuclear sites, coupled with the International Energy Agency's forecast of a supply glut next year. Trump's town hall turns into dance party after faintings. Donald Trump's town hall in Oaks, Pennsylvania, took an unexpected turn when several audience members fainted due to the heat, requiring medical attention. After 40 minutes of speaking, Trump paused his discussion with South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem to address the situation. The event, aimed at courting voters, quickly shifted from political discourse to an impromptu dance party, highlighting the challenges of campaigning in extreme conditions and the unpredictable nature of live events. Shiba Inu partners with Mass to enhance financial layer of Shiba State. Shiba Inu, SHIB, has announced a partnership with financial solutions firm Mass to develop the financial infrastructure for its ambitious Shiba State. Kal Dhairia, a prominent figure in the Shiba community, enthusiastically shared the news, emphasizing the partnership's potential to elevate the ecosystem. This collaboration comes as SHIB's price saw a modest increase, alongside a significant surge in its burn rate. Meanwhile, the upcoming ShibaCon conference has been postponed, with refunds promised to ticket holders.